scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Vietnam, weighing in at 227 pounds, the All-American.
If you listen to After the Bell this week, you know this is a match.
And his opponent from Hanoi, Vietnam, weighing in at 228 pounds,
Some would say the superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title.
They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
That is horrible advice.
Gentlemen, you are looking at a man who is sick of the doubters, sick of being questioned about his potential.
And I can't disagree with him. I expect tonight to be a night where he can silence the skeptics and prove to be the future of this company.
It will be a tall order, but the confidence he possesses could take him very far.
But don't discount the man he's facing. A man who has been counting the minutes to getting this fight started.
And down with the suplex. Stiff kick. Power slam. Taking a trip outside, but he's got to be mindful of the count.
Sleeper slam! And we might be about to go from commentators to participants in this one, fellas. And he's soundly taking control here.
Just producing an onslaught.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat. Able to reverse that one.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched.
Catches a punch.
Okay, consider that a harsh lesson.
Caught an elbow to the gut for that effort.
Sharp punch.
Spiked with a Uranagi. Big punch finds its mark. Clothesline.
What impact.
He's feeling the effects of that last hit.
Sharp knee.
Shot after shot.
The knee just being torn apart now.
And now he's just being pushed around.
Yeah, and every attempt to fight back's being negated.
Shoulder tackle after shoulder tackle.
Just ruthless.
I see how it is. Going to take any shortcut to bypass a clean competition.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a shortcut, Saxton.
He reverses it.
He got tired of being pushed around and wants to gain the advantage now.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Into a German. Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of him. The official asking him, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap?
The bear hug cinched in. Got to find a way out and catch your breath.
Look at this, no quit whatsoever. Raining down elbows and escaping the bear hug.
He's struggling a bit here.
At this stage of the match, they are clearly starting to feel the effects of this back and forth.
Getting tossed around.
Ooh, what a nasty kick. Just disrespectful.
And he gets sent back into the ring.
Top rope, here we go.
To the sky.
Shot after shot, then slip.
He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
Fights out at 2.
How in the world did he kick out?
Scattered reversal there. They picked the ankle.
Oh, nasty back elbow.
Are we about to see it? Slam! Landed it.
Wait, what's going on here?
Well, he's confused. And I guess he should be. Where is he?
Well, that's what we're all wondering right now, Michael. We got a match going on.
Look out from behind! Look out from behind! Finn Balor hooks his man.
19-16.
We might be close to the end.
And he has just taken an extraordinary amount of abuse. Rapid fires.
And the cover for the win! Finally, it's over. Some superstars doing what they do best. Here are the highlights.
Here is your winner, Key.
Oh, yeah, they kept their focus and eked out the victory.
It was definitely the result of keeping their head in the game in this one.
Props to them for not letting the distractions get to them. They're tuning out the noise and getting the job done.
If anything, the distraction worked as the perfect motivation to get them into gear. I don't hear